Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to tell you something about the uses of present simple tense. Present simple tense is used when we talk about a variety of facts, and these facts associated with present simple tense can be categorized into four types. Let's have a look. The first type is truth. When we talk about something that is true, we use present simple tense. For example, Uncle Wat is in Cambodia. I can give you more examples. For example, the grass is green, the sky is blue, a motorbike has two wheels, the earth is round, and so on. Moving on to the next type, which is hobby, likes and dislikes. For example, she likes playing piano. A few more examples. She doesn't like playing guitar. I like drinking coffee. I don't like drinking milk. Moving on, the third type is regular activity. If I do something regularly, I'm telling you there is a frequency here, implied here. For example, I go to school every day. I drink a coffee. I drink a cup of coffee every week. Okay, so these are something regular. There is a frequency indicated here. Have a look at this example. My family visits Uncle Wat Park for a picnic every weekend. Notice the time phrase every weekend gives us some kind of clue indicating the regularity of some kind of activity. In this case, the activity is picnic. So, based on this sentence, we can come to the conclusion that the picnic, the picnic takes place regularly. Okay, how regular? Every weekend. Okay, either every Saturday or every Sunday. Moving on, the fourth type is schedule or timetable. If you if you if you visit a bus agency, there will be a schedule, a timetable, or if you want to go abroad, you need to buy a plane ticket. You have to check the timetable of the airlines, so you can decide what time would suit you the best. Have a look at this example. The bus leaves at 10 a.m. So 10 a.m. Is not just today. It's not just yesterday or the future. It's the same in the past. It's same now, and it will be the same in the foreseeable future. So it's some kind of fact in terms of time. Yeah. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I see you next time.